Sir Ramon, ano nga pinaka nagiging concern mo ngayon sa katawan?
May spinal problem ako dati.
Dati?
Thoracic siya. Thoracic scoliosis.
Right here?
Yeah,
Upper?
upper. Ever since high school, elementary, nandyan na siya. Kasi mahilig tayo magbuhat ng maraming libro nun eh. Sa isang buong bag sipag eh.
Grabe.
Then yun, nabuo siya. Then talagang baksak dati tong kaliwa ko.
Left, nakagato.
Nakaganon talaga. Then nakapag-Cairo naman sa iba, pero dito ako ngayon sa Rock Health and Wellness na. So,
Nice.
matatry natin to.
Sige. Hello, Rock Nation. I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. At ngayon, nandito tayo sa clinic. Kasama natin si Sir
Ramon.
Ramon. Ayun. So, Sir Ramon, ano nga pinaka nagiging concern mo ngayon sa katawan?
May spinal problem ako dati.
Dati?
Thoracic siya. Thoracic scoliosis.
Right here?
Yeah,
Upper?
upper. Ever since high school, elementary, nandyan na siya. Kasi mahilig tayo magbuhat ng maraming libro nun eh. Sa isang buong bag sipag eh.
Grabe.
Then yun, nabuo siya. Then talagang baksak dati tong kaliwa ko.
Left, nakagato.
Nakaganon talaga. Then nakapag-Cairo naman sa iba, pero dito ako ngayon sa Rock Health and Wellness na. So,
Nice.
matatry natin to.
Nice.
So, galing na rin ako sa other chiropractor. Then, I want to try it kasi iba-iba yung approach niya. So, yun. Lagi kasing sumasakit din yung ulo ko kasi minsan nahihilo ako. Sakit sa tenga.
Sa tenga?
Parang may ugong.
May ugong.
Yun.
Okay.
Then,
Sobrang tining na ba ng ugong ba or hindi naman?
hindi pa naman. Tapos, usually, nung nagka-baby din ako, syempre, laging buhat. Ako house husband ako Naging house husband ako nung lumabas si anak ko. So, ako talaga nag-alaga.
Alaga.
So, talagang yon. Kaya, more on caring siya sa kaliwa
Nakakangawin.
Mahirap ilipat sa kanan kasi parang hindi sanay. Ewan ko bakit. Ba't parang mas sanay yung kaliwa ko kaysa sa kanan? Kanan naman lagi yung ginagamit ko.
Correct. Dominant hand mo.
Yeah.
Kanan.
Saka yung legs ko, alam ko, sometimes parang hindi siya talaga pantay.
Okay.
Talagang parang
Pagka naglalakad ka ba, may minsan na nararamdaman ka?
Pakiramdam ko lang talaga hindi siya konting pantay.
Okay.
So parang mas maikli itong kaliwa ko kaysa sa kanan.
Okay.
Pero ilang beses siya kinorek, pero parang ganun pa rin pakiramdam ko. Siyempre, hindi naman kayang madaan sa isa o dalawang approach lang lahat yon. Kasi nag-a-adjust yung mga ligaments niya.
Correct.
So yun. Kailangan ko talagang, nung nakita ko rin yung saan pa ba ako nagkakaproblema?
Driving.
Sa driving, yun. Hindi ako makatagal minsan sa pag-upo lang. Sumasakit na agad yung buong katawan ko. Parang kapag medyo matagal ako nagda-drive, parang kailangan kong gumalaw-galaw.
Ganyan, i-stretch mo ganyan.
Talagang iba talaga yung pain minsan kapag mga 3 hours, 4 hours na yung drive ko. Talagang parang kailangan ko makipagpalit. Kahit kasi mag-stretching ako, hindi siya basta-basta nawawala, nandun na siya. So, pinaka-concern ko talaga ngayon is yung back hanggang dito sa
lower back.
Lumbar, yun. Yung pinakadulo, actually.
Pinakadulo?
Yeah, kasi namamaga din siya noon
Sige, tignan natin.
So, yun. Then, yun. Siguro yung pagiging hindi pantay nito. Saka parang napansin ko to, sir, na
Yung clavicle mo?
yung clavicles ko, hindi ko alam parang hindi din siya pantay
Okay.
Kasi syempre dahil ata sa scoliosis
Dati.
ko.
Okay, tignan natin.
Kasi
kung ano nang
parang
degrees.
basta ganun. Ito parang medyo naka-atras na ng konti, parang ito hindi ko kasi sa mata ko lang na tinitignan So syempre iba yung pag nagdi-distinguish kayo yun.
Yes. So, titignan natin.
Yun.
Ready ka na?
Ready na.
Magkakaroon tayo ng physical examination. Para ma-confirm natin lahat. Okay?
Yes.
Sige, posture up. Okay, I will push this one. Very good. Andun naman sa tamang positioning with your natural curve ng lumbar. Very nice. Okay? Turn to your left. Sige, sagad. Turn to your right. How was it? Any sikip? Any ngalang here?
Pag nandun na sa part ng sagad, gumaano siya, unti-unti siyang sumisikip.
Okay?
Pero medyo mas maluwag ng konti sa kaliwa.
Sa kaliwa.
Kasi side sleeper ako sa kaliwa.
Kaliwa.
Oo.
Lagi nakaganon.
Lagi nakaganon talaga.
Sige, tignan natin. Turn up. Yan. Ang normal is about 45 degrees extension here. Wait lang ha, titignan ko kung may blocking here. O yun, very good pa naman. How was it when I push?
Okay pa naman yung pakiramdam ko sa likod.
Tension.
Merong konti.
Yoko, tingnan natin. Push it, push it, push it. Yan. Okay. How was it? How was
Nakaramdam ako ng yung pain na grabe na para siyang may tension na sobra.
Okay, sa
Nung
banda.
nakayuko na dito.
Right here, sa
Yeah.
cervical spine, which is ating cervical 6 hanggang upper.
Yeah.
Yan. May connection dito?
Maliit lang.
Maliit na maliit lang. Very good. Okay. So ngayon, bigyan natin yung traps muscles mo, shoulders. Here. Ready? All the way up. Dikit sa tenga. Diretso siko. O, kamusta yan? May masikip ba dito? May
Mas
connection?
nakadikit ang kaliwa
Mhm.
kaysa sa kanan. Tama ba?
Yes. Ibig
Para-
sabihin lang, ang pakiramdam mo, dahil nagmamatter, which is lower yung iyong kanan,
Yun.
mas upper yung iyong left.
Kaliwa. Yun.
Yes, sige down. Pero kamusta yung sikip ng pakiramdam?
Medyo, naman.
Okay
Kaya
lang.
naman.
Go.
Okay naman.
Here. Lagpas sa tenga. Go, up. Lagpas sa tenga. Good. How was it?
May tension sa
Saan?
balikat.
Balikat.
Okay.
Right or left?
Both.
Both. Okay, down. Check natin lateral
Wait.
muscle support. Oh,
Nag-ano?
nag-cramps.
Nag-cramps na konti.
Saan?
Dito.
Okay. Relax.
Okay,
relax.
okay.
Shake. Okay. Here, lateral muscles and rhomboid. Go twist. Yan. Okay, very good naman to. How was this?
Kamay ko para siyang nagnanam.
Okay.
Yung kaliwa.
Sige, go. Here. This one. How is this?
Okay. Shoulder blades.
Here?
Yeah.
Sa left.
Siya. Sumakit siya.
Sumakit.
Oo.
Ayan. Ibig sabihin, check natin kung ano yung deformation or nangyayari ngayon sa iyong upper thoracic right here.
Yes.
Okay? Kung ano yung development na ngayon. Okay? Dahil yung ating shoulder blade or yung scapula ang tinatawag, if ever man na merong deformation, is either scoliosis or curved left and right or skyposis na tinatawag or leaning forward right here. Yan. Different types of disorder ng ating spine. First is scoliosis. Next is kyphosis. Scoliosis is curved. Kyphosis is excessive
Mahilig
forward.
akong nood ng nakagano.
Yan.
Yun.
Sa bed ba, may TV kayo sa
Nasa harapan.
harapan?
Tapos, yung, syempre, hindi naman perfecto yung unan.
Mhm.
So, talagang minsan mapapaganon ka na lang ng todo.
Unti-unti ka na lang
Oo,
gano'n.
hanggang, wait lang, ang sakit na. Ayan. So, doon natin sa, madalas yun, lalo sa cellphone.
Okay.
Yun.
Sige. Mamaya, ituturo ko sa iyo yung technique. Pero at least, andun pa naman yung pinaka-natural motion ng ating spine. Aayusin na lang natin ito at i-release lang natin ng tama. Okay? Sige. Ngayon, stand up. Now, here. This one. Go. Back bend. How is it?
I think it's fine.
Very good.
Okay.
Ngayon, titignan ko yung buong structure ng iyong spine. Harap ka sa akin. Bend forward. Good one. Okay? Wait. Let's see. Okay, up ng konti. Up ng konti. Yan. Sige, good one. Right there. Okay. So, with your lumbar 1 to thoracic 12 junction, we have imbalance here, misalignment. Mataas ito. No? Kaysa dito.
Ay, nga, ramdam ko siya nung hinawakan mo.
Up ng konti. Yan, yuko kayo. Yun. Sige. Curve ka ng konti. Now, yan. Alright. So, mataas nga ito. Itong left side. Okay? Vertebrae. Right here. Thoracic 12, 11, 10, and 9. Okay? Sige, kabila. And then, sige.
Okay.
Yuko. Ano nangyayari sa'yo?
Yung legs ko.
Nangangawit.
Nangangawit siya.
Sige, relax.
Yeah.
So, bibilangin natin yung curve ng yung scoliosis now. Here. Right there. Good. So, 2, 3. Very good naman to. Okay. So, 4. Ito yung pinakamalala. 6. Right here. Any tension here? Pain? Nothing?
Nothing.
Good. Here.
Nothing.
Good. And right here.
Little
sa
bit.
Spine mismo. Yan.
A little bit.
Here.
Masarap na masakit din.
Masarap na masakit. Okay? Sige. Relax. May dizziness pag akyat?
Ay, minsan sa nangyayari sa akin. Yung parang, basta may ginawa akong movement na parang biglang gumaganon yung mundo ko.
Okay, nagkakaroon ng dizziness.
Yes, sobra.
Alright. So, ibig sabihin, this is the sign na nagkakaroon ng blockage, yung iba't ibang maliliit na nerve, especially sa ating upper extremities. Okay? Ngayon, relax ang shoulder.
Okay.
Let's see your shoulders. Okay? So, with your rotator cuff, mas mababa ito. You're right. Here, ay mas mataas. Let's see kung ano yung nagiging root cause. Talikod ka sa akin. Ngayon, yuko. Yun. So, titignan natin ito. Ano? Yan ang nangyayari. Alright, here. Okay? So, this one. Okay? Kakapain ko ha.
Okay.
So, ito yung dulo. Okay?
Yes.
Ito yung dulo. Nasaan siya?
Parang medyo mas maano yung kaliwa.
Mas mababa itong kaliwa.
Mm.
Okay? Mas mataas itong nasa kanan.
Nasa kanan.
Okay? So, right here.
Kahit maliit lang, no, parang ramdam na ramdam ko na mababa siya.
Ito yung dulo. So, ang nangyayari din, ito yung pinaka-normal side. Wait lang ha. Tignan natin yung rotation itself. Okay? So, ito yung normal side. Nakalabas ng mas maayos. Ito naman ay nagkakaroon ng inner side. Medyo paloob na ng konti kasi wala na yung masyadong edge. Kumbaga, mababaw. Okay? Yung edge niya. Ito naman ay sobrang lalim right here. So, right here. So, dito lahat sa right side. Sige. Right there. The thoracic, upper 1, 2, 3, and cervical 7, 6, and 5. Okay, dapa ka. Sige. First is right here. Okay. Sige, baba mo yung kamay mo. Okay, so ito yung una nating check, which is your ribs. Rib out. Right. Okay, here. Hold this one. Right there. Yan. Okay. I will push this one. So, this is your inner rib joint na tinatawag. The disorder of this one, what we call is a rib out disorder. Okay? So, pinching doon sa pinaka-muscle itself dahil doon sa pinaka-deformation ng ating specific rib cage. Okay? Relax. Right here. I will push this one. Good one. Relax ang shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Nice. Next, baba. This one. So, sa rib out, secondary, yung gagawin natin is more of right here. So, I will push your junction, thoracic 1 and 2, and cervical 7, pa left. Okay? Okay. Relax your shoulder. Good one. Right there. Here. Push it away. Yan. I will push this one over here. Okay? Relax. Good. Well, up, up, up. Good one. Relax ang shoulder. Wait lang ha. Good one. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Okay, so ito ay very tight. So, ibang technique yung gagawin natin. Right here. Mas lower muna tayo sa junction. Right there. Right there. Good one. Connected sa rib 1. Relax. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Okay. Good. Nice. Right here. Okay. Right through here. Relax. Good one. So, if sobrang tight nito, magkakaroon tayo ng different approach. Right here. Relax. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Good one. Sobrang tight. Good. Right there. Okay. I will twist. Yeah. Here. Twist it. Push it. Okay? Twist ha. So, once it twist, pinupush natin yung right to left yung iyong spine. Okay, specific spine right there. Inhale. Exhale, relax ang shoulder. Good, 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 good. Okay. Nice. Now, let's see. Sit down ka. Okay?
Grabe, lalo na yung dito sa shoulder blade sa kanan. Naramdaman ko talaga yung nerves. Pero ang ma-release ang sarap eh.
Let's see this one. So, ito ay medyo, ang gagawin natin, so more about right over left. Relax ang shoulder. Ito lang. Sa gitna. Baba mo. Yan, ganyan lang. Right here. Good one. Relax down. Relax ang shoulder. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Yep. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Nice. That's your right. Upper side right here. Relax down. Inhale. Yoko. Exhale. That's it. Yun yung malalim na part. Now, this is for upper side. Right here. This one. Yoko. Upper. Hawak sa akin. Ibaba ang siko. Ilock mo yan. Ilock mo pa. Good one. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. That's for the left vertebrae. How was it?
Nag-release lang yung mga Hindi ko siya pwede biglayin eh.
Yes, relax. Good. Ayun yung malalim na part with left vertebrae. You good?
Yes. Andun lang talaga yung pag matagal na siya naipit. Andun siya eh. Nakaramdaman sa ito paano.
Okay. So,
After the treatment.
now, ganito ka. First, this right here. Supported with our junction, lumbar 1, and thoracic 12. Okay? This time, left over right. Relax ang shoulder. Yan. This time, open yung ribs. Yun. Okay. Then, forward ng konti. Yan. Okay. Stay. Right here. Relax. Right there. Yoko. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Okay. Good. Inhale again. Exhale. Stretch. Good. Check natin yung kabila. Good. Turn your ribs. Good. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Right here, upper, open quarter. Okay. Good. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Connection. How was it?
Yung first two na ginawa, may maliit lang siya na crack na parang naramdaman ko.
Yes. Tama. Okay. Very good. Ito yung pinindot ko kanina. So, ito yung pinakatumunog ng malakas kanina when we put the towel. Very nice. Alright. Good. So now, magpo-proceed na tayo sa procedure.
Okay.
Okay? Now, back. So ngayon, lower extremities, joints and muscles, iliac crest, pelvis, and sacroiliac joint. Taas mo ito. Diretso. Up. Yeah, mabigat, may ngalay, wala.
Meron siyang mabigat.
Mabigat. Okay, kabila. Go.
Sinasuporta siya ng kanan ko.
Sige, go.
Oy, shit, iba.
Medyo
Magaan.
Okay? So, ang
Kasi hindi
normal,
masyado nakasuporta yung kaliwa.
yeah. So, ang normal is about here, rotation. Upward.
Ay, tumunog.
Okay. Ayan. So, dapat ganon. Tapos, wala masyadong effort at magaan.
Yes.
Okay? Sige, una natin gagawin is your left. So, iliac crest. Yeah. Good one.
Oh.
Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good. So, clear naman ito. Push it down. Here. So now we have to stretch your quads and move your pelvis and iliac crest. Here. Right there. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Down. Okay. And down, down, down.
Mas iba yung ano ng kaliwa ko.
Yes.
Mas maluwag yung kanan.
Mas maluwag. Now, dito na tayo sa iyong coccyx or pinakadulo ng ating leg bone. And then synchronic joint and then the inner hip joint at saka yung pubic bone. Yan. So, ang gagawin natin ay itataas mo dalawang paa. Okay? Engage yung puwet. Okay? Diretso yung tuhod. Dalawang paa itataas. Ready? Go up. Sige, diretso yung tuhod. Very good. Nice. How was it?
Ang sarap na nakakagulat. Parang hindi ko expect.
Hindi mo in-expect kung saan tutunog. Oh. Next, hips tayo ha. Here. This is lower rib. Here. Inhale. Exhale. Here. Inhale again. Exhale. Here again. Inhale. Exhale down. Nice one. Okay, last one. Upper rib. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, clear na yan. Kabila. So this one. Inhale. Exhale. Here. Upper again. Down. Here. Here. Two down. Nice. Last one here. Down, down, down. Alright. Nice. How was it?
Everything's good.
Now, let's see your feet. Rotation. Up. Sige, up. Ayos. Nice.
May support siya pero hindi siya kasing
Bigat.
bigat kanina
Nice.
na kailangan supportan sa todo na
At sobrang taas na rin. Napansin mo ba?
Oo.
Hanggang saan
Kanina
lang
parang
kanina?
nandito lang siya.
Yes. Naglalak yung pinaka-rotation ng pelvis natin,
Yes.
sacroiliac joint at saka iliac crest. Okay, kabila. Let's see. Nice.
Napakagaan niya.
Nice one.
Kaso may ramdam ako part ng
Nang
tailbone.
here.
Hindi. Lower back.
Here.
Kaliwa.
Ito.
Yeah.
Ito.
Kaliwa, kaliwa.
Kaliwa ito.
Yan. Parang may, ayan.
Tension. So,
May
hindi pa
tension
naman
ba?
tayo tapos dyan. Okay? So, ayusin natin yan with the decompression of your lumbar spine. Okay? So now, tihaya ka na.
Luwag ng
How's the feeling now? Let's see. Lower extremities again. So ito na yung sinasabi mo, if ever man, no? Hindi pantay. Let's see. Ganito yung pag-check sa kanya, ha? Here. Okay. Pantay naman. Okay?
Pantay naman.
So, ang pinaka nagkakaroon ng konting short is your right. Okay? Right. Ito. Kanan.
Yes.
Unahin natin. With the right technique. Here. See? Metatarsal. Here. Lower metatarsal. Good one. Navicular bone. Here. Clear. Talus bone. Here. Relax. Good one. Okay, clear. Outer. Good one. Next is for the cuboid. Right there. Good one. Upper. Oh, good one.
Hindi ko alam kung saan yung tumunog.
Diyan sa hip mo?
Parang ganun.
Okay. Last is your heel. Clear. Okay? Turn out. Yan. Okay. Turn in. Relax. Nice one. Ramdam mo dyan sa lower.
Ramdam na ramdam.
Yan. Okay.
Yung mga first, konti lang yung tunog, yung maliliit lang. Sarap na.
Here. Nice one. Metatarsal. Here. Good one. Here. Here. Navicular bone. Nice one. Good. Here. That's it. You good?
Good.
Okay. Next, sa heel. Turn out. Relax. Turn in. Rotation ng ating inner hip. Good one. Nice.
Tumunog siya.
Santi yung rotation. No?
Sarap. Grabe. Parang nagpapantay na yung katawan. Matagal ko na talaga siyang inintindi. Coach, talagang parang hindi talaga siya pantay.
Tingnan natin, ano? Next, bago natin check, sa tibial bone connected with your
Yan.
hinge.
Ba, yung... Hindi ko alam kung sa tuhod na siya eh.
Check natin, ano? Kasi ang pinaka-tinitignan natin dito with our deformation ng tibia and fibula bone. With our hinge joint. Yan. So, nangyayari, it's either outer twisting or inner twisting. Okay? Either both, nagkakaroon ng nakokompromise na muscles or ankle joint.
May mga disgrasya na rin kasi ako sa bike eh. Saka mahilig ako tumakbo.
Let's see. Here. There. Tibia outer. Good one. Nice. Here. Inner side. Good one. Clear one. Okay. Next is right here. Push it. Nice one. And then for your groin muscle. Here, relax. Good one. That's it. You good?
Ramdam ko to. Parang dito yung nahatak eh.
Yes, of course.
Grabe.
Outer. Good one. Lower and out. Good one. This one. Here one. Patella. Good. Here.
Sa ramdam ko yung tension.
Here.
Yeah.
This one. Good. Let's see
Parang
again.
may pain yung knee ko doon nung minimove mo siya.
Minumove.
Oo.
Okay. Tingnan natin. Here. Good. Here.
Good.
Good. Thank you. Alright. Let's see again. Oh, yan. Dito ako sa gitna. Yan. Here. Push it. Push it. Yan. Down. Very nice. Okay. Good one. See this one? Okay. So very good naman na. Okay, kung kanina ay sobrang short neto, hindi naman short. Kita-kita lang dun sa buhit ng ating, what do you call this one? Achilles.
Yeah.
Okay, ma.
Yes.
Ito yung right kasi ito yung short kanina. Let's see this one. Ayusin natin yung pelvis. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Nice.
Siya.
Ready.
Okay.
Inhale. Exhale. Good. Alright, so ito ay very nice. Rotation.
Abang nai-stretch siya, masakit siya lang una. Pero after siya ma-stretch ng todo, nawawala, nag-i-ease na yung pain din wala.
Yes. So, sa ating rotation with your lumbar spine, lumbar 5 and 4, at saka yung sacrum.
Ay,
Yeah.
sacrum.
S1, 2, and 3, very good yung rotation. Which is, hindi necessary na laging tutunog. Ang pinaka tinitignan natin doon is yung normal pace with the rotation or yung movement or full range of motion. Once na-meet niya yon at walang nagkakaroon ng limitation at saka stiffness doon sa muscle support, ibig sabihin ay good ito.
Okay.
Okay. Now, dito tayo sa kamay. Yun. O, tignan natin yung pain sa wrist. This is the carpal bones itself. Here. 1, 2, 3.
Sa
Okay.
pangalawa, nakaramdam. Yung pangatlo, doon ko lang siya naramdaman na to.
Let's see the grip.
Okay.
Tignan natin yung strength. Go. Very nice. Good. Okay, sige, mag-grip din ako. Go. Grip, go. Very clear. So, strength naman is good. Okay. Ayusin lang natin yung tension with this one. So, very normal naman yung pinaka-main muscle with your arms or full na support. Here. Okay, so very good. Okay.
Ba't pag ako mahatak, hindi ganyan yung tunog?
Here. Alright.
Oh.
Relax, relax. Elbow down. Here. Good one.
Ah,
Pain.
may pain. Yan ata yung dati ko pang iniinda. Yung pain pala sa wrist kapag minsan napapasobra siya ng ano.
Nang ganito.
Yeah. Hindi ko alam, nalimutan ko na eh.
Let's see ha. Tignan natin. Put it back down. The carpal bone. Here. Okay, here. Okay, so connected ito with the ulna. Elbow. Here. Relax. Here. Twisting. Here. And then turning up.
Oh.
One. Turning down.
Oh,
That's it.
grabe.
Relax. Mamaya, check natin ulit.
As of now, parang ano lang, yung tension na na-release nandun.
Okay. Sige. Uy, very good to ah. Wala masyado dito ah. Wala
Mahilig,
nagkikis.
mahilig sa computer yung kanan.
Okay, good.
Saka may support yung left ko sa keyboard.
Nice. Cushion.
May cushion. Yung kanan, yung right natin sa mouse, wala.
Wala. Magalaw-gaw kasi sa mouse eh.
Mm.
Yan. Okay. Here. Good one. Here. Here. Rotation. Turning up. Relax.
Oh,
Nice. Turning down. Right there. Relax na.
ayun. Ayun pa pala. Tumunog na siya ng konti, tapos meron pa pala. Okay. Kala ko yung na-stretch lang.
Yeah.
Oh, sarap.
So, we have different areas and techniques. Okay? Ngayon, tignan natin ulit ito. Let's see down. Okay? Oh, very good. Wala nang nakikis-kisan ba?
Yes.
Okay? Let's see the pain. Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Napaka-minimal niya na lang. Parang yun na yung natural.
Now, let's see the cervical spine. Here, cervical number 1. We will pinch this one.
Yeah.
Elevator muscle. Pinch one.
Oo.
Pain.
May pain.
Number
Yeah.
2 here.
Oh.
Uy, meron ka.
Ah.
Number 3 here.
Oh.
4.
Okay. Medyo good. Yung 5.
Traps muscles.
Good.
Main muscle.
Ayun, meron konti.
Yun.
Oh.
Good. Okay. Kabila. Let's see ha. Number 1 here. Nothing? Meron.
Meron.
Number 2 here. Uy, meron ka agad. Sensitive.
Yeah.
Number 3.
Medyo parang
Four.
may tension siya kaya parang hindi siya maano.
5.
Okay, meron.
Here. Traps muscles.
Okay, little bit.
Main.
Yeah.
And acromion.
Oh, meron konti.
Meron ko. So we have to, with the right positioning, bago tayo mag-release ng tension. Ready ka na?
Okay.
Relax. Going up, up. Right there. This is chin up ng konti. Yun. Sige, stay down. Relax na yan. Yun. Alright. Right there. Good one. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one.
Oh.
That's it. One. Right there. Sige, relax. Here. Mas lower. Right there. Relax. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Good. Nice. That's for the cervical number 3. Specific.
Iba talaga pag nare-release siya. Talagang yung tension niya. Parang gusto ko matulog lang after niya ma-release. Parang hindi ka nagagalaw.
Yes. That's it.
Yan.
Now, first decompression is for your lumbar spine. Okay? Sige, hawak ka sa akin. Yan. Sige, relax mo yung shoulder mo. Relax mo yung shoulder mo. Yun. So, let it out lahat. Okay? Inhale ka. Let it out. Exhale. Good.
Oh!
Nice. How was it?
Hanggang baba. Grabe yung release niya. Grabe.
This is the right positioning of our, or right technique of our
Mm-mm.
cervical decompression. Okay?
Okay.
We have to calculate yung puwersa na kailangan nating i-apply.
Okay.
Okay? So, ganito siya. Here.
The Y strap.
This is the ring dinger. Or
Okay.
anything. Manual decompression.
Okay.
Bite your teeth. Yan. Close your mouth. Bite it. Okay? Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Sige, stretch first. Okay? Rotation. Very nice. Check it. Here. Very loose. Good one. Okay? So, mas light ang kailangan nating i-apply. Okay?
Okay.
Yan. Chin up ng konti. Sige, ako magaan. Yung. Good one. Okay. Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Relax with the bounce itself. Good one. Alright. Good. Again. Inhale. Exhale. Bouncing, bouncing. Good one. Nice. Inhale and exhale. Super dami. Okay? How was it?
Ayan, nag-subside na siya.
Good. Sige, inhale and exhale. Super dami nun ah.
Sobrang dami, kahit ako nagulat. Kasi kakagaling ko lang last December sa Cairo. Hindi naman ganon.
Yes. Sa
Kasi isa daw yan sa technique eh.
stimulation with our, just help your muscle recover faster. Right there. Soothing feeling with this elevator muscle. Right there.
Madaling bumili ng ganyan pero hirap niya gamitin ng tama.
Good one. Alright. Ngayon, sa traps muscles na tayo. Okay, ako magsasabi ha.
Okay.
Relax. Right here. Ready? Going up. Down, sideward. Opening ng traps muscles. Nice one. Okay, again. So this time, ang gagawin mo, engage ang muscles. Tigasan.
Okay.
Close fist, tigasan ng shoulders, tigasan ng traps. Ready? Go, tigas. Yun, up, up, up. All the way down, side. Opening ng traps muscles, tigasan pa. Good one. Nice one. Relax.
Okay.
Relax ang kamay.
Okay.
Ready? Confirmation. Go up. How's this now? Sige, go. Here, downside. All the way down. How was it?
Almost clear pero yung pinakadulo lang ang may konting
Yes.
ano.
Okay, pagpaliwanag ko sa'yo kung bakit. Sige, this part
Halos
is-
nawawala na.
Yan. So, ito naman ay parte na ng ating acromioclavicular joint
Yes.
na kasama sa pag-adjust or pag-release ng tension sa ating shoulders. So, muscle knots and knuckle muscles. That's it. Ready? Same procedure, same. Go up. Sige. All the way down. Side. Ramdaman mo yung pain or yung feeling sa unang hagod ha. This time, engage. Ready? Go engage. Up. Go, go, go. Tigasan. Dahan-dahan. Good one. Relax.
Okay.
Good. Go down. How's this now?
Everything is
Good.
good.
How is it now?
Better than the first
Very good.
try.
So, ganun kabilis. Now, sensitive yung trigger points. Tama? Kanina. Oh, let's see now. Here, cervical 1. How's this?
A little bit pain. Mga around 2 to 3.
Nice. 2.
Tension lang ng muscle.
Nice. 3.
Same tension ng muscle.
4.
Halos wala.
and 5. Good.
Clear.
Ano sa yung difference?
Mas okay kaysa kanina talaga.
Kanina ay sobrang sensitive. Number
Ang
1.
sakit niya kanina eh.
Number 1 here.
Mas less siya kaysa sa right.
Number 2.
Same with the second one.
Number 3.
Yan, may konting pain doon.
Number 4.
Same.
And 5.
Yan, good.
Nice.
Halos pantay eh. Kasi mahilig ako pumikit para maramdaman ko yung buong katawan ko.
Very nice.
So, pati yung pagyuko ko. Everything kasi talagang conscious ako sa katawan ko eh.
Correct.
Talagang.
Check natin.
Yan.
Shoulders.
Okay.
Hawak sa bewang. Ganito. Yan. Sige. Pipigilan mo ako. Pupush ko pa forward. Ready?
Okay.
Sige. Very nice. Good one. Nice one. Good?
Good. Nagulat ako. Okay. Ako yung nagulat eh.
Okay. Right here. Sige. Push it. Very firm. Nice. Again, last one. So push it. Very firm. Nice. So next is rotation and stretching. Relax. Rotation and stretching. Clear. Clear. Last one. And clear. Then, lower rotator cuff. Yuko. Yeah, relax ito. Good one. Good one. Kabila.
Okay.
Turn. Good. Clear. 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 Upper. Relax. Shoulder down. Good one. Sige, relax. Yuko. Clear. Good.
May tension doon sa part na yan.
Here. Sa upper.
Dito.
Okay.
Para siyang nag-ano eh. Ayan lang.
Out.
Parang gumanon hanggang dito.
Yes.
Yan.
Part ng ating ano yan.
Gumanon siya papunta dito.
Triceps.
Yeah.
Okay? So, kapag ka may tumunog, ibig sabihin, the tension itself is right here.
Okay.
So, lower rotator cuff. Yan yung tumutunog kapag ka ginagana natin. Okay?
Yeah.
So, yung ay very clear naman. Next is our ears. This one. Para maging better yung hearing senses natin. Here. Relax. Good one. Snap. Nice.
Uy. Nagulat ako tumutunog pala.
Yes.
Kay Titar ko lang nakikita.
Lakas ah.
Iba.
Feels weird.
Parang ano eh. Parang lumaki yung tenga ko sa kanan na yung pandinig niya gumanon.
Yes. So, para ito sa better hearing senses, so if you have families or friends na meron tinnitus or nangyayari din sa'yo, the tinning sounds and the drumming sounds or kumukulong sounds. Okay? So, that's the ear pressure itself para ma-release natin at ma-release natin yung eardrum or yung nerve na nagkakaroon ng connected sa ating eardrum. Okay? So,
Okay.
mamaya pipindutin natin yung pinaka-sensitive part ng ating ears. Okay. Relax. Good one. Relax ito. Good. Nice.
Iba yung sa kanan talaga. Parang yung binuksan yung panibagong mundo ko dun sa kanan.
And then,
Ayan.
right here, the sensitive part of our ears. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good one. Okay? So,
Sarap.
hello,
Grabe.
Rock Nation! And we're done with Sir
Ramon.
Okay?
Nako guys,
Mhm.
punta na kayo dito.
Thank you so much.
Sobrang alam ni Sir yung ginagawa niya. Yun lang yung masasabi ko.
Nice.
Then, it's for you to find out. Punta na kayo sa Rock, Health, and Wellness.
Yan.
Okay.
Thank you so much. So ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng physical assessment again.
Okay.
Examination, before and after.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Posture up.
Okay.
Very nice. Turn to your left. Turn to your right. How is it now?
Wala yung tension.
Mm-hmm.
Maluwag siya, sobrang luwag niya. Hindi katulad kanina. From here na part, tapos pag sinagad, may tension.
Mhm.
This time, wala.
Good. Nice.
Same with the kanan, kasi yung adjustment ng muscle ngayon, nararamdaman ko pa. Pero pag ginaganon ko talaga siya,
Sobrang loose.
loose na siya. Talagang, yung nararamdaman ko na lang every time na gumaganon ako. Kasi kaka-adjust niya nga lang.
Okay.
So, yun lang yun.
Now, tingala. Posture up. Nice. How is it? 45 degrees. So, hindi na kita kailangan i-push.
Mas kaya ko na siya.
Yes. Kanina
Guys,
ay...
walang kahit anong tension ako nararamdaman. Parang natural lang siya na naiipit ng balat to balat, bone to bone. Parang ganun.
Very
Yan,
good.
para lang siya natutulak.
Ah.
Ayan.
Pares na tayo.
Yun.
Here.
Alam lang siya natutulak na parang nagdidikit yung ano ko.
Yes, batok
Yan.
mo.
Yeah.
Yan.
Yun lang yung nararamdaman ko. Nagdidikit sila.
Yes. Kanina, ganito lang. Saka
Ah.
merong...
Saka may
Nagbo-block.
nagbo-block eh.
Yan.
Yes.
Ganun. Okay?
Okay. Nakalus talaga lahat ngayon.
Ngayon, check natin yung traps muscles mo.
Okay.
Kanina, medyo may tension, di ba? Here.
yes.
Go. All the way up.
Wala. Wait.
Sobrang loose.
Sobrang loose niya.
Mhm. Sobrang gaan.
Hindi, kasi in-expect ko meron eh.
Yeah.
Alam ko kasi pag ang muscle in-stretch mo, may maramdaman ka. Pero this time wala.
Up. How is it now? Anything tension?
Walang tension sa likod.
Good?
Dito lang, siguro yung mga adjustment lang dito.
Okay.
The rest is okay. Wala nang tension sa ano. Andito lang siguro.
Sobrang luwag na.
Maluwag yan.
Good. Nice. Stand up. Let's see.
Okay.
Kanina medyo may nginig.
Yeah.
Saan? Back
Ay,
bend.
okay sa back. Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Go. Go ahead. Nice. No, mas nakakababa ka na.
Hindi ako nahihirapan
Good.
kasi kanina magagaganon pa ako ng konti eh.
Mhm.
Luwag niya na. Yun. Kasi parang yung, syempre, pag na-restrict nga yung blood flow, napaka-importante ng blood flow sa
Okay.
katawan natin.
Nice.
So ngayon, na-release mo lahat.
Mhm.
Iba yung session na naranasan ko ngayon. Sobrang iba. So, napaka-recommended ko yung rock. Coach Astor.